Hey, are you using Apple Compressor? I use it all the time to save a ton of time after I've done an edit. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make custom settings in Apple Compressor for places like YouTube and Facebook, even MP3. Hey, I'm Kevin, and on this channel, I like to help you make an impact in the world with online video. If that sounds good, hit that subscribe button. So recently I had somebody reach out and ask if I would do a video and show how to do custom settings in Compressor for like YouTube and Facebook and MP3, and I'm like, absolutely. Now, Apple Compressor is just a great program. Runs around $50, so it's not free, but it does work in conjunction with Final Cut Pro 10. And if you want to know how it does that, I've done a video on that. You can check out that link in the description. Now, Compressor comes with a ton of presets for things I don't even use it for, but you can take any of those and you can dial them in, or you can create your own. So when you open Compressor, click on the plus button in the lower left. Select New Setting, and when the box pops up at the top, you'll have a bunch of options to choose from. You just select the one you want, and from there you can dial in any setting. So let's say, for example, you want to do a custom setting for YouTube. Well, from that drop down, choose MPEG 4, and from there you can dial it in. And this is where you can rename it. So I have mine. I have one set up for Facebook, and I have one set up for YouTube. So to help you know some of the settings, down in the description I've put a link to YouTube and Facebook, and for audio I link you to Anchor. Anchor is a great place if you ever want to get into podcasting. It's free, and that's a whole different video, but you can find those links in the description. I would look at what they recommend for video and audio settings, and then I would dial in your settings that way. It's really that easy. Hey, if this helped you in any way, how about a thumbs up? And let me know in the comments if there's other types of videos or other things I can dig into to help you make an impact in the world with online video. And speaking of video, there's more coming up.
Put the knee